Alrighty, everyone. Tashina Lynette, your favorite holistic business coach. I'm back here to share what I just shared with all my English speaking friends. So, as you hop on here, give me a wave, a hi, hello. Let me know what city, state, or country you're watching me from. And if you're back to watch the replay, hashtag replay so that you know you came by no matter what venue it is. So, I got my health and wellness box for this month yesterday, and I want to share with you guys. Last night we did a class on skincare for your skin type. So if you missed that, make sure you hop on my YouTube channel in order to get that. And so I got some skincare, so that's cool. And we're gonna do the same class in next Tuesday in Spanish. So for my Spanish speaking people, make sure you join that. So below on my Bloom cleanser and brightening essence, and so I had to get some more of that. This is step one and step two of your skincare routine, and that is for brightening your skin. And then, of course, for maximizing my health and wellness box, I got some stuff for free. So I actually got the Bloom, which is just a divine, amazing smelling blend that has things like vetiver, blue cypress, Davana. I love Davana. Um, it's got Royal Hawaiian sandalwood, jasmine. I love jasmine, geranium, sacred frankincense, clove, carrot seed oil. So it's really actually good to like add to things and for your skin, but it just smells amazing as well. And then I got for free our coconut lime body butter. So luxurious. I love having this. Oddly enough, this one doesn't really break me out because I am mildly allergic to coconut. And we recently had a video redropped about how to use this in your hair. So I'm excited to try to do that as well. But yeah, it's just a really thick body butter. You guys can see that just a little bit. And then, yeah, I got a little bit on my fingers. And then I also got the Luscious Lemon hand soap. Luscious Lemon, y'all, smells so deliciously divine. Got that for free. And this is really, I always use, actually, I bought So Light Magic body oil. I always use our body oils on my body. I tend to use those. They're better for me when I have prone to dry skin. But this one has lots of butters in it, this lotion. So it really is for my skin as well, and I love that. So those are the beauty things I got. Then I got some nutrition things. So got some wolfberries. I just started using Illumin. I need more protein in my life. These are one of the most this is the most nutritious berry on the planet that you can have. It has 5 grams of protein and tons of potassium and iron. I always need some iron. It's got a little healthy fat in there. It's got a little bit of calcium in there. So got me some wolfberries. And then I got my Ninja Nitros. I was out of these. These are so necessary for my cognitive fitness, for my energy levels in the morning. It's got about half a cup of coffee of natural caffeine. It's got D-ribose, green tea, mulberry extract, Korean ginseng, and tons of B12 in it, as well as iodine. Very good for me. My body loves it. And then I got multi-greens. So this is energizing greens with revitalizing oils, including Melissa oil. Good for my energy levels and my mood. Agile Ease helps my body be agile and have the right amount of movement. Powergize. This is a bunch of herbs for enhanced physical performance, sustain energy, boost stamina, increase the strength. It's actually formulated for men, but when I don't take it, it comes up on my scan. It says I need it. Illuminize. Name says it all. It's healthy eye support, maintain proper eye health, and improve visual performance. And Olive Essentials supports total body wellness with hydroxytyrosol from Spanish olives. So those are the nutritional things that I got in my health and wellness box. And guys, if you get started with your own health and wellness box or place a health and wellness order before the end of the month, you are going to get a free hand soap. So more incentive if you've been watching me, if you've been just sitting on the sidelines, if you know you need your red juice, you need some stuff, now's the time to sign up and get that. And if you need help, of course, reach out to me at any time. All right, thank you guys for joining. And hey, I am great. Thanks for saying hi. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.